Alright guys, today I'm redoing my hair. I have these two parts that I will be doing, or bleaching. The rest, I just did earlier. I used to have and have blue and purple hair. And then I went with this weird party. And, well, it's not weird. I saw it off of Deeper Than Hair on YouTube. Deeper Than Hair TV, I believe. And, I wanted to do this partying, and I tried to do this my natural hair color. It came out green. And I just put red in it today. And it came out my natural hair color. So now I'm gonna bleach these to make them a bright red, because I'm bored with the cool tones. And yeah, so wish me luck. I will be documenting what I can, but it is gonna get messy. So okay, so for bleach, I'm using this Grupo's Power Blonde Lightning Powder, and for the ends where it is blue and purple, I'm doing a 10 volume, because slow and easy, right? I don't want to mess up my hair, have it fried off. I am licensed, but still wouldn't count this as a tutorial, because I'm only 18. I'm still learning. So don't trust everything I say. Okay, so on the blue side, doesn't look like much has happened. I mean, it's kind of faded. It's not looking the same on camera as in person, but yeah. And then the purple side, it seems like it drew out all the red in it and just kept the blue. They're pretty close in shade, but this side's a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna dry it, think about it, and see what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I blow dried it partially. This is a color. It definitely looks a little bit more blue. It's more green. And I'm just realizing something. Before I did the blue and the purple, I had this green underneath it. So yeah, I'm gonna do one of the worst things ever. Do not do this, but I know my hair can take it. I'm gonna bleach it all over again with a higher developer. Don't do that. I'm telling you right now. But just to get, because I know this new girls, all of this right here that doesn't have any color, this is all a virgin. That's gonna take 30, you know. That's how I've known my hair to be. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I washed it out. So my roots got there. The blue is very stubborn. This side looks a little bit darker, and it's weird because this is where I put the bleach first, but I'm not like crazy, like going crazy over it, because my hair has been through a lot. I've colored my hair a lot, so I don't know. But it's just like the top section, and I part my hair this way either way, so it doesn't bother me. But it's like it's weird because it's just like a band between my roots and my ends where the blue started. Like I said, it doesn't bother me anyways. I know once I put this red in, this blue is gonna be dark, so it might just blend right in. Gonna blow dry my hair and then put the red in. Okay, so after blow drying, I noticed that this side, it's not as bad as it looks on camera, and I don't know why it's showing so much darker, but they're pretty even. I thought about going back because I know my hair can handle it, just in like this section, and because kind of back here too, but I don't know. Still thinking. It's late and I'm tired, but I want my hair to look good, you know, so I don't know. Okay, blow dried wash towel. Cute. I'm using this cool hair color. Never used it before. It's in red, the shade red, and I mixed a tiny bit of the color Ion, or the Ion Color Brilliance semi-permanent in red, also just straight up red, and this is what it looks like. The dark red is obviously the cool, because I said I had a little bit of the Ion. It's very liquidy, but it's red. It's like a darkish red. I usually like adding in the Ion ones because they have kind of like a metallic thing to them, and I don't know, I like it, so. Okay guys, it's the next day. It was 3 in the morning when I was finished doing my hair, so I was pretty tired. But as you can see, this is how it came out. Kind of looked like a skunk sort of situation, but like reversed in red, I think. I don't know. But yeah, this is my hair. It has pretty good lighting in here too. This is my natural hair. I just like threw it up in a bun right before recording, but this is how it turned out, and I love it. I haven't had red hair in so long, and it's very different from what I'm used to, and I think it looks really good with like this brown that I have. And yeah, that's how I got this red hair. Just a little bit of bleach and a little bit of praying. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. My chunks were a lot bigger than I remembered, but it could be because I had all of that new growth. I couldn't really see how big it was, so it kind of looks awkward, well, to me, like right here. Like I thought it was, I don't know, I thought I would have like a wider space for the brown, but I don't, and that's okay with me. I'm used to being the weird person with the weird hair. I like to try different placements, so it all works out. I don't look good with middle parts, especially because my hair dried this way, but maybe in another video. I'm gonna kind of let my hair rest because I did bleach it. It feels really soft still, but I'm gonna let my hair rest, and then in another video you can see it actually styled. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.